I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to open Ford Fiesta door panel step by step. Start by removing the door handle cover and unscrewing visible screws, then gently pry the trim with a panel tool. Work methodically around the perimeter, lifting clips one at a time to prevent breaks. Label each screw and keep them in a tray. Note window switches and wiring harnesses. Unclip carefully to avoid damage and ease reassembly. Start by locating all fasteners, including hidden screws behind covers and inside the armrest pocket, and remove them with the correct screwdriver. Use a magnetic tray or labeled tape to sort screws and clips so nothing gets mixed up. When prying, insert a plastic trim tool and work around the panel slowly, releasing clips one by one to avoid snapping them. Remember to store removed parts safely for reinstallation. If you're finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like to support more content like this. Quick recommendation: Robot Face upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum voice control. It keeps your garage and workshop tidy while you work. Check the description for the link and other deals so you can grab one if it fits your needs. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. After loosening the panel, lean it slightly forward and examine wiring connectors behind the switch cluster and speaker area. Depress the locking tabs and unplug each harness gently, avoiding wire strain. If connectors are tight, wiggle the plug while holding the tab to release it without pulling wires. Set the panel aside on a soft surface to protect it, and when reinstalling, reconnect each harness firmly to ensure all electronics work as expected.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.